Okay, everybody, welcome back to the shop. I had a couple people ask, through Facebook and on YouTube, wondering what I do to maintain the fixture tables that I sell. And this is just a 1/4 inch thick top welding fixture table. What I do when I'm finished a job, I finished a project, and I just got done building some skid steer attachments, I'll go across the whole table with just a scraper, make sure I get off any spatter that's stuck to the table. And this one I've already scraped it, and then I'll go over it with a broom and just sweep the loose off. I just have a spray bottle with some WD-40 in it and a Scotch-Brite pad, and I'll just go over. You can see in that half I've already done it, so I'll just take and go over it. I've already sprayed it down with WD-40, just let it soak a little bit. Most of this discoloration is where I sprayed anti-spatter spray on, and it cooks it and gets stuck to it. But I'll just go across it with a Scotch-Brite pad. And it doesn't take much, leave it soak a little bit, and a little bit of scrubbing. Just go across the whole surface. And while you're doing this, you're going to notice, you'll tell if you have any more spots of spatter that are stuck to it that you'll have to address then, with either a flap wheel or a stronger scraper or something like that. But yeah, I'll just go across to that, and then I'll just take a rag, wipe it down, and that gets rid of all the discoloration and everything like that. And you can see a spot there where I didn't scrub it quite enough here along the edge. And that's all I do to maintain it. The WD-40, it will act as a rust inhibitor for a little bit on the table. Now mine sits inside of a climate controlled building, so it doesn't make as much difference. As far as cleaning the holes out, I haven't done anything to them since I've had the table, as far as cleaning them or anything. They have stuff in them, but as soon as you put a clamp in, it pushes it out. Once in a while, I will get a spot of spatter stuck to the edge of the hole. Just take a chisel or a deburring tool and just knock that off. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of better information on how to maintain one of these tables. Again, we do sell these tables on our website, River Valley Mower Salvage. And the website address is rvmspa.com. Thank you.